This is a fehquig Drunk Kitchen production, brought to you by Topvar Slovakian Lager, Grant's finest Scotch whiskey, and powered by Kodak batteries. Ah, good. Things have quieted down a little bit now. Well, I'm gonna have to take care of some other stuff. Okay, it lives. Let's get the lights on here. And I have to switch hands to get the gear shift. Yeah, it's pretty bad when you can't find a reverse on an automatic. Whoa, lights. I need lights so you can see me, but I don't need lights so I can see out. We have a predicament. Okay, we missed that car back there. That's a good job. And away we go. This here is the interior of my taxi. You'll notice that it's a little different from the old one. The old one had digital dash. This one's got analog, and it's got the same meter on top and the same mobile data terminal on the bottom. I haven't done a taxi video in a while, have I? Well, I figured it was high time to do it. We have to take care of some business here. This is also a little experiment. See, I had seen people put up 20 and 25-minute videos, and I tried to do the same thing. And especially with the Mexico project. And you know, after getting to about 10 minutes and 40 seconds, they wouldn't accept them anymore. They'd get rejected. Well, I've come to the conclusion that probably I'm using the wrong video format. Now, if I change my video format, which I'm going to do with this one, it's going to be long. So if it goes up, then I'll know that I can put up some more Mexico videos that I haven't really edited yet. I think I'm procrastinating. Yeah, those Mexico videos, and if they come up to about 14 or 15 minutes like a couple of them did, then I won't have to split them in two, because that's a real pain. You have to go and edit everything again, and it's like doing it 3 times. So I'm gonna try a different format now and one edition, and if that works, that's great. Don't beep at me. Don't beep at me. Please don't beep at me. Oh, it just went click click. Okay, well, that's good. I'm still second in the zone, and it's been about 15 minutes since I cleared, so I guess things are going quiet now. It's about 24 after midnight, and I have to do it. I have to do. Okay. Oh. there's the guy doing the car wash thing. Let's see if I can get this thing to work. Oh, what are you beeping at me for? Oh, you pain in the ass, you butt munch. Oh, fuck. Oh yeah, the Fox Pub. They want me to go to Fox Pub. I'll do the car wash after I get these degenerates. Oh man. Okay. I guess we won't go through the car wash yet. We'll do that later. Yeah, it rained the last couple days, and get through this whole deal. I'm gonna wave hello. And now we get our opportunity. Okay. Automation for the sake of automation. I have the ticket here somewhere. Just let me dig it out. Maybe see what the number is on 06304. Okay. 06304. Why do they have to make everything beep? I'm really sick of beeping things. This thing here beeps, that thing there beeps, everything beeps. Why can't they do something else? I prefer the old days when we still had two-way radios, and if you didn't want to hear the annoying guy on the other end, you could just turn him off or turn him down. Yeah, there's my signal to stop. So here we are in a car wash. There's no action out there, so we might as well make this car clean and looking good. Now we're gonna get squirted with the first installment. This is like a foaming stuff that comes down. Well, why am I telling you this? Oh, it looks kind of weak today. It's like there's not much foam coming out of it. I mean, that's kind of cheap. It's supposed to be like that you don't see anything. Well, here it comes. Oh, I think they're running out of foam. I shouldn't be able to see out at all. Oh, maybe the second installment of foam will do it. We'll see. GPS antenna problem. Not attached, not responding, or obscured. All good. I can't see out now. That's good. The second installment is it. Okay, so can't see out. It's coming around the back. And on the side. Good. Good. Now I can't see out at all. Perfect. This thing would beep if it had a trip for me, so that's okay. This is a ex-police car. It's only got 50,000 miles on it. It was put on the road as a taxi just a couple of months ago, and that's the new car that I was given. This is pretty cool usually. Cheap thrills, eh? It's got to do this again. Rinse all the soap off. Now we got to move ahead. More beeping. God, the world is full of beeping things. Be a little moist, but at least we're clean. Then I gotta check out the ticket. Oh, GPS antenna. Okay, I knew that would happen. Take the ticket and throw it away. And there we have one clean taxi.